Hello and welcome to Spindy's weekly linkage number 13. Remember, numbers are fingers to represent finger slots. This linkage starts with a palm down middle ring around reverse 1.0 starting in 2-3 and ending in 3-4. It would help to catch it with wiper in because of the next trick, which is a wiper with half FC 3-4, which is then followed by a pinky bust to 2-4 with 3 out. Once in 2-4, a pass to 1-2 takes place, promptly followed by a wiper reverse with half FC 2-1. This is partially interrupted with a charge 0.5 followed by a wiper normal with half FC 1-2. The linkage finishes with a mid bust to 2-3. The linkage looks like this. You can maybe start to see a trend with the type of linking style I had when making these linkages. Many of the future linkages are hopefully different enough, so just keep an eye out for that. Thanks for watching, see you next week.